Simple future sentence in English. John will wake up early tomorrow and he will look outside his small apartment window. He will say, I will change my life and I will not waste any more time. He will drink a glass of water and he will wear his favorite blue jacket. He will take a deep breath and he will leave his home with hope. He will smile and say, I will not look back again. He will go to the community center and he will join the free English class. He will meet other students who will also want to learn English. He will sit in the front row and he will listen carefully. He will say, I will speak confidently in a few months. He will practice every word again and again. His teacher will ask him questions and he will answer with courage. He will say, I will not feel shy anymore. He will record his own voice and he will listen to it at night. He will repeat every sentence until it becomes natural. He will tell himself, I will improve day by day. In the evening he will go to the local cafe and he will talk to the waiter in English. He will say, I will have a cup of coffee, please. The waiter will smile and say, you will speak fluent English soon. John will thank him, and he will sit near the window with his notebook. He will write new sentences and he will memorize them. Next week he will visit a library and he will borrow English books. He will say, I will read one book every week. He will watch English movies with subtitles, and he will pause and repeat lines. He will join an online group, and he will speak with strangers for practice. He will not miss a single day of learning. His family back home will call and he will tell them, I will make you proud. He will say, I will get a good job soon. He will dream big and he will work hard. He will keep a small paper in his pocket that says, I will succeed. He will look at it whenever he feels tired. After 6 months he will apply for a job in an American company. The interviewer will ask, do you speak English? He will say, yes, sir. I will give my best and I will never stop learning. He will get selected and he will walk out with tears of joy. He will call his teacher and say, you will always be my hero. One day he will stand on a stage and he will share his journey. He will say, I was a shy man and now I am a speaker. He will say, anyone can do it if they say, I will never quit. The crowd will clap and someone will whisper, I will do the same. His story will inspire thousands of people. He will travel to many states and he will teach others how to learn English. He will say, use simple future sentences to plan your goals. He will write a book and its title will be I Will Win. He will become a symbol of hope in the community. Everyone will say he will always be remembered. John will wake up every morning with more confidence. He will look in the mirror and say, I will speak better than yesterday. He will listen to English podcasts on his way to work. He will repeat what he hears and practice every phrase. He will keep a list of new words in his phone. He will join a speaking club in his city. He will meet people from many countries who will all speak English. They will help each other, and they will laugh and learn together. He will stand up and say, I will share my story today. Everyone will clap and say, you will become a great speaker. He will record his practice videos and post them online. Strangers will comment and say, you will inspire many. John will reply with joy and say, I will keep going. He will not worry about mistakes and he will improve every week. He will create a YouTube channel and say, I will teach what I learn. One day he will attend an English seminar in New York. He will take the train alone and say, I will be brave. He will walk into the big hall and thousands will be sitting. He will sit in the front and say, I will not miss a word. He will raise his hand and ask a question with pride. The speaker will say, "That is a great question," and John will smile. After the event, he will meet the speaker and say, "I will follow your journey." They will shake hands and take a photo. John will post it with the caption, "I will reach this level one day." He will motivate hundreds of people who will see his post. Back home, he will teach English to kids in his neighborhood. He will say, "If I can do it, you will do it too." He will write a small guide with simple future sentences. He will print it and give it for free. Parents will say, "Our kids will learn with joy." John will become a mentor for new immigrants. He will say, "Welcome to this country and you will succeed." He will guide them step by step with kindness. He will tell them, "You will feel lost, but you will find your way." They will say, "You will always be in our prayers." He will get invited to speak at schools and colleges. He will say, "I will tell you my truth and I will not hide my struggle." He will speak about fear and how he fought it. He will say, "One sentence at a time, you will build your future." Students will say, "We will remember this speech forever." John will keep growing and learning every day. He will never say, "I am done." He will always say, "I will try again." He will prove that small efforts will make a big change. And people everywhere will say he will be a legend. John will help one boy who will feel shy to speak. He will say, "You will be great one day." The boy will smile and say, "I will try my best." John will pat his back and say, "I will always support you." He will walk through the city and talk to strangers. He will say, "I will learn something from every person." Some will ignore, but some will reply. He will say, "I will never stop just because some people laugh." At night he will sit alone and review his words. He will say, "I will improve my grammar slowly." He will watch one English video before sleep. And he will say, "I will speak better tomorrow." He will join one online course next week. He will say, "I will finish it in 30 days. He will study after work without missing a day. And he will say, "I will complete what I start." John will decide to teach English every weekend at the park. He will gather kids and adults who will be afraid to speak. He will tell them, "You will gain confidence with every word." They will repeat after him and say, "We will not give up." They will smile and learn under the open sky. One old man will walk by and stop to listen. He will say, "I will join too because I always wanted to learn." John will give him a seat and say, "You will speak with pride." The old man will say, "I will speak English with my grandson." Everyone will clap and say, "You will be our motivation." John will build a small learning center in his neighborhood. He will paint the walls with future sentences like, "I will learn, I will grow, I will win." He will collect books and speakers and chairs. He will name it the "I Will Center." People will come from far away and say, "We will study here." He will host his first public English event at the community hall. He will invite local teachers, leaders, and students. He will stand on stage and say, "We will change this place with English." The room will echo with voices saying, "I will speak, I will improve." Parents will cry and say, "Our children will have a better life." A news reporter will cover his event and ask, "Why do you do this?" John will smile and say, "Because I know someone will feel lost today. And I know that person will say, 'I will rise tomorrow.'" The reporter will say, "You will be known across this state." The next day the headline will say, "One man, one mission, one future." John will get calls from other towns asking him to visit. He will travel every weekend to teach and inspire. He will carry a small bag with only books and his notebook. He will say, "I will go wherever I am needed." Kids will wait with banners saying, "We will learn from John." He will meet a woman who will say, "I will help you run your center." She will be a writer, and she will create materials in simple English. They will work as a team and they will grow the movement. She will say, I will make a website so others can learn from home. John will say, together we will reach every heart. People will donate money and time to support his dream. He will say, I will never ask for anything, but I will accept love. He will build more centers with that support. He will open online classes for those who cannot travel. He will create a place where no one will feel alone in learning. At night he will sit under the stars and look up. He will whisper, I will keep going no matter what. He will write in his diary, I will not stop until every voice speaks. And he will fall asleep with a smile knowing tomorrow he will change one more life again. John will receive an email from a college in Chicago. They will say, we heard about your work and we will invite you to speak. He will feel nervous, but he will say, I will accept this challenge. He will take a train with his laptop and a notebook full of ideas. He will sit near the window and say, I will not miss this chance. He will walk into the big auditorium and see a large crowd. He will whisper to himself, I will give them my best. The lights will shine and the host will say, please welcome John. He will walk slowly to the stage and look at the people. He will say, I was once afraid, but now I will speak for all of you. He will talk about how simple English sentences changed his life. He will say, the first time I said I will learn English it felt small, but I kept saying it every day, and one day it became real. He will point at the crowd and say, you will feel scared too, but I promise you will succeed if you keep saying I will try. The crowd will stand up and clap loud and long. Some will record his words and some will cry. One student will say, I will change because of him. A professor will say he will inspire thousands of students. The college will say, we will remember this forever. After the speech, John will sit with some teachers and share ideas. They will say, we will start a new English club on campus. John will say, I will send my teaching guides and help however I can. They will make a plan and say, we will launch it next month. Everyone will shake hands and say, we will stay in touch. On his way back, John will meet a man on the train who will ask about his bag. John will smile and say, I carry stories, not just books. The man will listen as John tells his journey. He will say, I will go home and teach my daughter what you taught me. John will write in his notebook, I will never stop sharing. At home, John will find a letter from a school in Texas. They will say, your words reached our students and we will host you soon. He will sit down and plan the next 3 months. He will say, I will travel, I will speak, I will change more lives. He will hang a calendar on the wall that says, I will keep going. Every week he will visit a new city and speak at libraries, schools, and parks. He will meet people from different backgrounds and stories. He will say, no matter where you are, you will grow if you decide. He will give away books that say, I will learn on the first page. He will leave behind voices that say, we will remember you. One evening he will return to his old classroom. It will be quiet and full of memories. He will walk to his old seat and say, I will never forget this place. He will look out the window like he did on his first day, and he will say, I will continue until the world speaks together. John will light a candle in that room and say, I will be the spark. He will sit alone and write a new lesson for beginners. He will say, I will make it simple, clear, and strong. He will send it to 5 new schools in small towns. He will say, they will not be left behind. Say, I saw your photo in the newspaper. He will smile and say, I will visit you soon. She will say, I always knew you will make a difference. John will say, I will hug you soon and thank you for believing in me. John will wake up before sunrise and sit beside his window. He will hear birds singing and he will close his eyes. He will say, I will be thankful for everything I learned. He will open his notebook and write one more sentence. I will live with purpose every single day. He will prepare for his final community event in his hometown. People will gather from nearby cities to see him speak. Children will wear shirts that say, I will learn. Old people will bring flowers and say, we will always pray for you. John will look at them and say, I will honor your love. The event will begin with music and laughter. Then silence will fall as John walks to the stage. He will raise his hand and say, today, we will believe together. He will share stories of boys and girls who said, I will change. And they did because they believed in one simple sentence. He will call a student who once feared to speak. Now the student will stand and say, I will speak without fear. John will hug him and say, you will go far in life. People will cry and say, we will tell this story to our children. The hall will echo with hope and dreams. John will show his old journal to the crowd. He will say, this is where I wrote my first sentence, I will learn English. Now this sentence will live in thousands of hearts. He will say, no matter how small you begin, you will grow. If you say, I will, and you keep walking every day, the mayor will step on stage and say, we will name this place after you. John will say, I never wanted a name, I only wanted change. The mayor will reply, your name will inspire generations. John will nod and say, then I will accept it with love. Everyone will cheer and say, he will always be our guide. As the sun sets, John will walk outside and look at the sky. He will say, I will remember every face, every word, every promise. A little girl will run to him and say, I will become a teacher like you. He will kneel and say, then you will be even better than me. Her parents will watch and say, she will carry your light. That night John will sit by the fireplace in his small room. He will look at the walls covered in notes and memories. He will take one deep breath and write his final message. To all who feel lost, say, I will, and you will find your way. He will close his book and say, I will rest now with peace. In the years ahead, people will tell his story in many languages. Schools will hang posters that say, I will never give up. Parents will name their children after him. A new generation will rise and say, we will build the future. And the world will whisper forever, he will never be forgotten.